everybody, my name is Jane and I am with Fassio Law, and today we have our two lawyers here, Marcy and Chelsea, and we are going to be doing some lawyer trivia, some law trivia, so it's going to be fun. Let's see if they can answer these questions. I'm your host. Let's get started. Your first question is, what is your first court appearance on a criminal case called? Oh, okay, same time. Chelsea, let's get Chelsea to answer.
Arraignment.
Yay. Next question is, after graduating law school, a person earns a JD degree. What does JD stand for? Marcy.
Juris Doctorate.
Yes.
I've always thought lawyers should be referred to as Dr. Scott because you've got a doctorate, a Juris Doctorate.
I think that would be dangerous, because if I'm on a plane and somebody's like, is there a doctor on board? And all of a sudden I'm performing CPR.
What popular legal right is often misinterpreted on criminal television shows? Chelsea.
Miranda rights.
Good job. True or false? A jury can sentence you to a probation.
False.
If you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. How many problems does Jay-Z have?
Oh, I love that song. 99 problems.
In regards to a DUI case, what does BAC stand for? Chelsea.
Blood alcohol concentration.
Good. The place where someone has the highest expectation of privacy is... Okay, both did it at the same time.
We're both amazing and brilliant.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call on Chelsea for this one.
Your own home.
What is the burden of proof for a jury trial? Marcy.
Specifically a criminal, because it's different but I'm assuming the question is talking about the burden of proof on a criminal trial, and in that case it is beyond a reasonable doubt.
Good, yes. What is the range of punishment for a misdemeanor possession of controlled dangerous substance? Marcy.
0 to 1 year. And maybe a $500 fine.
Who is responsible for maintaining order in the courtroom? Chelsea.
The bailiff.
Yes. The mental element to establish intent of a crime is referred to in Latin as... Chelsea.
Mens rea.
How many jurors are required for jury trial on a misdemeanor case? Marcy.
6.
Good job.
I remember that, because it's like, within the Constitution you have only the right to 6, but most juries have 12 jurors.
Felonies have 12, and misdemeanors have 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
What two factors must be present in order to require that an officer read a person their Miranda rights? Marcy.
This one's perfect, because we just had the question about Miranda is often misinterpreted, but
yes.
A police officer is only required to give you your Miranda warning if two things are present. You must be in custody and they must be interrogating you. So a lot of times people think they should get their Miranda warnings anytime they have any contact with the police, but if you're not in custody, you don't get it, and if they're not interrogating you, you don't get it. So only if those two things are present.
Yeah. So just because you're arrested does not mean that you automatically get read your Miranda rights, because for one, they probably aren't interrogating you at that time. They already have an idea of what the situation was.
What is it called when a spouse cannot be forced to testify against the other spouse about communications made during the marriage? Marcy.
Spousal privilege.
The court applies the rule decided in previous similar cases. This is known as... Chelsea.
Precedent.
What is the process to clear, erase, and seal your criminal record called? Marcy.
Expungement.
How many jurors are required for jury trial on a felony case?
Oh.
Chelsea.
12.
What amendment to the U.S. Constitution covers the right to bear arms? Chelsea.
The Second Amendment.
Good. So this is your last question. Okay. So your last question is, you get arrested or charged with a crime. What is the first thing you should do?
Call your attorney.
Yes! Chelsea, you've won! If you want a team of winning lawyers, go ahead and give our office a call. Our phone number is in the description below, and so is the link to our website. See you soon!